Hi, welcome back to Cheryl Trades Leaps. Every trader thinks they have a strategy problem, but what if the real problem is something much simpler? Something you control. Every single trade. Today, we're going to talk about position sizing and emotional control, and why your trade size might be the reason you're not consistent. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed this? When you were trading small, you were calm, patient, disciplined. You followed your plan. But the moment you increased your size, everything changed. You started checking charts constantly. You felt pressure. You exited too early or held too long. Here's the truth. You didn't lose discipline. Your position size changed your behavior. Most traders think they have a strategy problem. They don't. They have a position sizing problem. Because when your size becomes uncomfortable, your decision-making changes. And when your decisions change, you stop following your plan. This is where consistency breaks, not because your strategy failed, but because your sizing did. Why this happens? Your brain doesn't understand trading. It understands threat and safety. Losses feel more painful than gains feel good. So when your position is too big, even small pullbacks feel dangerous, and that leads to exiting winners too early, holding losers too long, constantly second-guessing your plan. You didn't become a worse trader. You just crossed your emotional limit. So what is the hidden danger? Even with a perfect strategy, poor position sizing can lead to failure. If your size is too big, execution falters. You can have a perfect strategy and still lose money. Why? Because if your size is too big, you won't execute it correctly. A good strategy with bad sizing will always fail. The key is to trade comfortably and consistently. Find your calm size, increase slowly, and always accept risk first. First, find your calm size. Ask yourself, what size can I trade without stress? Second, increase slowly. Small, then slightly bigger, only when it feels normal. Never jump from small to big. And third, accept the risk first. Before entering any trade, ask, if this goes to max loss, am I okay? If the answer is no, your size is too big. Simple rule. If your behavior changes, your size is too big. Professionals versus amateurs. This is the difference between amateurs and professionals. Amateurs ask, how much can I make? Professionals ask, how much can I handle? Professionals size their trades so they can stay calm and consistent. Because consistency is what actually creates long-term profit. And consistency comes from emotional control. The long-term mindset. Trading is not about one big win. It's about repeating a process, over and over again. Stop asking, did I make money? That mindset leads to emotional decisions. Instead, ask, did I follow my rules at the right size? Because when your size is right, everything else becomes easier. If your position size changes your behavior, it's not the market, it's your sizing. The goal is not to trade bigger. The goal is to stay disciplined at any size. If you want more calm, structured, and professional trading strategies, make sure to follow along. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.